Welcome to Just Wheel Repair. You smash your wheels up, we're the guys you call to get them fixed. First up we've got Sven, he's our acid tank man. He'll get the paint strip right off and make sure there's no evidence left behind. Once your wheels have been stripped back, they get rolled through to our sandblasting department. Headed up by Condog, he'll make sure it looks like nothing happened in the first place. Cracks, chunks are done by this one, Phil, the crack. After that it's paint time. Our resident artiste and workshop manager Rhino, he'll have your wheels looking sparkly like a diamond. Talking of diamonds, that's our next step. The man in charge of the diamonds, Mr. P. He's the boss of the lathe and the operation. He'll get those wheels looking sharper than a knife and make sure everything goes to plan. So, if you damage your wheels and you're looking for the right team to get it sorted, get on the blower and give this lot a call.